Welcome, Dr. Neevita, to this platform.
Thank you.
ET Women Conclave celebrates power, persona, and purpose. What does this platform mean to you personally, and how does conversations like these impact, the way we're changing the narrative for women?
So, particularly this platform, ET Conclave, it's a great opportunity for me to meet people who are leaders, who have built their brand through resilience and being persistent from all walks of life. I've never had such a diverse audience before in my life. Like, I go to my conferences, which are like-minded people coming from the same industry. But this is amazing because this is like people coming from different walks of life. And me coming from a hearing specialist, I'm a hearing specialist, I'm an audiologist by profession. Hearing is not talked about much. It's something which is a hidden sense, but very relevant for communication like these.
Absolutely.
It's very, very important. And I'm happy to utilize this platform to build awareness about hearing science and hearing health and how important it is for each one of us.
Yes.
So that's what it means to me.
Lovely. So why is hearing health so neglected in today's time?
Somehow there's a stigma attached to it, unfortunately. So the thing is that we all have this senses in us, and hearing being a very important sense, because having a good hearing means able to communicate well.
Absolutely.
Able to be connected to people. And it is neglected because there's no pain or immediate signs that people can immediately identify. And they tend to kind of postpone it or take it to the back seat. And they keep on tolerating. So that's, and I think it's the stigma also. People think that if you have a hearing problem, it happens only in old age, which is not true.
So what are early hearing loss signs that people usually miss?
So if your early signs of hearing loss, or you feel that your sense of hearing is getting affected, is like if you're being intolerant to sound, or you are having a sound sensitivity, or there's a ringing or buzzing sensation that you're feeling in your head, or you are increasing the volume, or you're missing out some conversation or something like this, and you don't even realize it's so damn gradual. It's really, really gradual.
Right. So what is one myth about this that you want to bust today?
One myth that I would like to bust is that hearing loss happens only in old age. It can affect, it happens to children, it happens to teenagers, it happens to young adults, and it's much more common than we would think of. It is very, very common because, and it's just that it is not talked about much. Especially in a glamorous world like this, it's not talked about. Whereas it is very important to address it, resolve it.
Yes, absolutely. So as we come to a close to this conversation, design is alive is a phrase that resonates very strongly. What does this phrase mean to you personally, and how does it influence the way we live, the way we work, and the way we are evolving with time?
So design for me is aesthetic.
Yes. For most of us.
Yes. So the way I'm dressed, the way you are dressed, that's a design. The way we are seated is a design. And if it's not appealing, it's not aesthetic in my mind, I'm not happy. So the happiness is the core. So having a good design is being happy.
Lovely. Great. Thank you so much for being a part of this platform today, and thank you for having this conversation with me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.